beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I wish you well by God's grace. Today I made me some OFE AKWU or Banga Soup, anyhow you call it, but this is local delicacy from Nigeria. Yes, this food you can use to eat white rice, starch, if you know what is starch, banku, if you know what is banku, pounded yam, eba or gari, and so on. Many you can use it to eat yam. If you want to see how I make this food, and if you're new, consider subscribing and be part of this family. And if you are old, yeah, hello, thank you for coming back. Yes, let's cook. Yes, I'm starting from here, my beautiful people. This is water in a pot. This is the kernel or that banga or akwu that I'm going to be using. This is the type. Before I just start cooking from here, but when I notice this thing is full of sand, I will have to do it this way. So just watch as I do mine. This is how it's looking, very thick. Most time I will not finish this cup because this is the big cup. Look at the down the cup. Look at what is coming out. Different from the up, you get fresh one like this. The down, look at the dirty. Look at what is coming out down. So I need all of this to settle so I can filter them off. So now I'm just making sure there is no lumps anywhere. Yes, I will take it out now and leave it to settle down. This is my meat. I will be using this meat. This is my pepper. This is chilies. I just put that for some scent. And this is scotch bonnet. I'm using 3. Use pepper to your taste. This is my crayfish, and these are some important spice you will need if you are cooking OFE AKWU and you are not using this spice. Try to use it with the spice and see the difference. This is onion. This is my cube spice. Both of them look the same, but they are not. You need them both. As for Banga Soup spice, this, if you don't have the seed ones, you can manage the powder ones, but these ones are better. And this is my dry fish. If you don't eat fish, you can skip it. So I'm going to grind everything and I'll be right back. And crayfish, everything, this is what it's looking like. I'm going to put that aside to turn this in gently. When it's at the very bottom, I'm going to stop and do this in another rubber because I don't want any sand problem here. Throw the fish in. See, I don't know if you can see that very well. We are having this. I tie this very well again. At this point, I will add everything I need to add. I'm adding bitter leaf also. I'm going to add this. Adding 1 of this. I'm just stirring that in. So I'll taste for salt. Yeah, I'm going to be adding salt. Adding salt. Add salt to your taste too. Yeah, I'm adding some bitter leaf to it. Just a little. I'll cover and let it cook very well, at least 20 minutes. Yes, I'm back after like 40 minutes because I needed the soup to be very thick. So after like 40 minutes, this is what the soup is looking like. Because of the palm oil, because of the banga, I have too much oil here and I don't want it, so I'm going to take the oil off. This is how I do that. This is what I took out. You can imagine. Yeah, this is the soup after. Yes, this is how I like my soup. Most people don't like thick soup, but if the soup is not thick, it's not me. So I'm going to serve. I'm very hungry anyway. So yes, this is the end of this video. Please, if you like my video, do give it a thumbs up, show me some love, leave a comment down below if you will try it, or if you have already tried it. Yeah, please do subscribe to my channel, and till I come your way next time. Bye.